Hey guys, this is Thomas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use effects and filters on Instagram app. But before that, don't forget to visit freewaysocial.com website if you want to grow your Instagram, Facebook or TikTok profile followers. Use discount code YouTube to get 10% discount on all of our services. Now here's how to use effects and filters on Instagram app.
Open Instagram app on your mobile phone and log into your Instagram profile. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Select Post. Now add a picture from your gallery and tap on blue arrow icon at the top right corner. Here you will find all of the filters. If you click on Edit, then you will also find various effects like brightness, contrast, and so on. That's how it's done.
I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, visit freewaysocial.com website if you want to grow your social media profile, use discount code YouTube to get 10% discount. We can grow Instagram, Facebook and TikTok profile followers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.